This question again from Russia. The brother asked that, is it true that prophethood belongs to the attribution Rahmaniyyat, and successorship belongs to the attribution of Khilafat? Khilafat belongs to the attribute of Rahimiyat. How?
Could be. First translated and I'll answer. This is, I think this is absolutely true, absolutely right. Because Rahmaniyya, Sifat al-Rahmaniyya, is before everything else. When there is nothing, Rahmaniyat conceives the plan of things to come. And then Allah says kun, and it begins to be. So that is why the Quran is referred to Rahmaniyat. Ar-Rahman allama al-Quran. So, in fact, every Risalat begins with Rahmaniyat. The beginning of messages, begin with Rahmaniyat. And when people disregard or begin to disrespect the prophethood, then another prophet comes. So that is also because of Allah's Rahmaniyat. But after that, Rahimiyat takes over, and the benefits of Rahmaniyat are continued immediately after the prophet. So Rahimiyat means something which carries forward the essence of Rahmaniyat. So I agree fully with this suggestion that both are connected. Khilafat is related to Rahimiyat because initial appearance of a Khalifa always follows prophets. It doesn't begin by itself. So in that sense, Khilafat, as we understand by the word Khilafat, which follows prophethood, has to be under Rahimiyat and not under Rahmaniyat. Again, everywhere in the Quran, Rahimiyat follows Rahmaniyat. It never precedes it. So the evident message is that whatever Rahmaniyat brings, Rahimiyat carries it forward.